Bob Lazar, a name synonymous with controversial claims and extraordinary narratives.
Exactly what's going on up there?
Well, there's several, actually 9 flying saucers, flying discs that are out there of extraterrestrial origin.
Has been a long-standing figure in the world of UFOs and secret government projects. A self-proclaimed physicist, Lazar is best known for his alleged involvement with reverse engineering extraterrestrial technology at a site called S4, near the infamous Area 51 in Nevada.
My name's Bob Lazar. I'm known for working at a classified base known as S4 out in the Nevada desert near Area 51.
His stories, while often met with skepticism, have managed to captivate believers and skeptics alike, leading us into a labyrinth of strange theories and astonishing revelations. This video delves into the top 10 craziest conspiracy theories associated with Bob Lazar. Number 1. A 300-million-year-old wheel in Donetsk. One of the most staggering theories put forth by Bob Lazar pertains to an alleged discovery in Donetsk, Ukraine. According to Lazar, a wheel, presumably an artifact of an ancient civilization, was discovered buried a kilometer deep within the earth. The astounding part is the claim about its age, a staggering 300 million years, an era when complex life was just starting to colonize dry land on Earth, and long before Homo sapiens came into existence. Lazar's account of the Donetsk wheel stirs the imagination, stirring up images of a prehistoric civilization advanced enough to produce wheel-like structures. Such a civilization would, according to conventional scientific understanding, be an anachronism in the timeline of life on Earth. The wheel was purportedly discovered during coal mining operations. Miners were reportedly stunned upon unearthing the object, initially unable to comprehend the strange artifact they had stumbled upon. According to some descriptions, it bears resemblance to a conventional wheel or a rail wheel, suggesting a level of sophistication not usually associated with the prehistoric era. Furthermore, there's the issue of dating the artifact. The 300-million-year age is not corroborated by conventional dating techniques. Lazar's claim relies heavily on the layer of Earth in which the wheel was discovered, assuming that the wheel is as old as the rock surrounding it. But without precise scientific dating methods applied directly to the wheel, this claim remains unsubstantiated. Moreover, no tangible evidence of this discovery is openly available to the public for scrutiny. The wheel is said to be in the possession of a private collector, thus preventing independent verification of its authenticity and age. This lack of transparency raises doubts about the authenticity of the claim. Despite these inconsistencies, Lazar's claim about the Donetsk wheel is a compelling narrative. It captures our fascination with ancient civilizations and the mysteries they hold. If the claims were substantiated, it would redefine our understanding of history, suggesting that our planet might have been home to advanced civilizations long before our own. Whether a testament to a prehistoric advanced civilization, an overinterpretation of natural geological formations, or simply an elaborate hoax, the tale of the 300-million-year-old Donetsk wheel represents an intriguing blend of archaeology, paleontology, and imaginative speculation. It is a fitting start to our exploration of Bob Lazar's most fascinating conspiracy theories. Number 2. Extraterrestrial technology at Area 51. Perhaps the most well-known conspiracy theory associated with Bob Lazar is his claim of reverse engineering extraterrestrial technology at a site called S4, located near the infamous Area 51. This theory, launched in 1989 during an interview with investigative journalist George Knapp, has since become a cornerstone of UFO lore. According to Lazar, he was hired by the U.S. government to work at this secretive location, the primary purpose of which was to study and reverse engineer alien technology. He described 9 different spacecraft, which he claimed were of extraterrestrial origin. Lazar stated that he personally worked on a disc-shaped craft, which he dubbed the Sport Model. He claimed that these crafts operated on a propulsion system that manipulated gravity, a technology far beyond human capability at the time and still elusive today. Skepticism and criticism, however, have been abundant. The lack of hard, empirical evidence has been a significant hurdle in lending credibility to his claims. To date, no one has been able to produce a sample of the alleged element 115, and Lazar's descriptions of its properties do not match those of the element 115 that scientists have synthesized in laboratories. Additionally, Lazar's personal history has been questioned. His academic credentials could not be verified, and there were no records of his alleged employment at Los Alamos National Laboratory or Area 51. Lazar insists this is due to government efforts to erase his identity and discredit his claims, but skeptics consider this explanation to be a convenient evasion. Despite the doubts surrounding his credibility, Lazar's Area 51 claims have had a considerable impact on the popular imagination. His descriptions of advanced extraterrestrial technology and secret government projects have fueled the world's fascination with Area 51, leading to a surge in UFO sightings in the area and even inspiring a semi-serious call to storm the base in 2019. Whether truth or fabrication, Lazar's tale of reverse engineering alien technology at Area 51 has defined his place in UFO folklore. It is a compelling narrative that embodies our fascination with the unknown, the advancement of technology, and the infinite possibilities of the universe. This theory marks a significant chapter in Lazar's narrative and forms the second entry in our exploration of his most extraordinary conspiracy theories. Number 3. The Majestic 12. Among the numerous theories put forth by Bob Lazar, the existence of the Majestic 12 inches is another that has gained significant attention. According to Lazar, this highly secretive group was formed to control all information pertaining to unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and extraterrestrial life, maintaining a tight lid on one of the most tantalizing mysteries of our time. The Majestic 12, or MJ-12, as Lazar described, was allegedly established in the aftermath of the famed Roswell incident in 1947, where a supposed extraterrestrial spacecraft crashed in New Mexico. Lazar posited that the U.S. government swiftly formed this group, consisting of 12 elite scientists, military leaders, and government officials to handle the fallout and manage the highly sensitive information connected with the event. However, the Majestic 12 theory has been met with extensive skepticism and criticism. There is no verifiable evidence supporting the existence of this covert group, leading many to dismiss Lazar's claim as an elaborate conspiracy theory. Furthermore, numerous documents purportedly related to MJ-12 that surfaced over the years have been debunked as forgeries by multiple researchers. Critics also point out the inherent contradiction in the premise of MJ-12. If such a secret group exists with the sole aim of controlling all UFO information, how could Lazar, an alleged former government contractor, have access to this knowledge and be permitted to disclose it without significant repercussions? Despite these criticisms, the Majestic 12 theory continues to captivate UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. Its allure lies in the appeal of a hidden world of secret societies, advanced technology, and government cover-ups, elements that make for a compelling narrative. Whether there is truth to Lazar's claim or it's an elaborate fabrication, the Majestic 12 theory remains an enduring part of his legacy. Lazar's tale of the Majestic 12 contributes to the ongoing discourse on UFOs and extraterrestrial life, further fueling the mystery and fascination that surround these subjects. It represents a significant part of his narrative and forms the third entry in our exploration of Bob Lazar's most notable conspiracy theories. Number 4, Element 115 and anti-gravity propulsion. One of the most intriguing concepts presented by Bob Lazar is his claim about an exotic element, Element 115, and its purported use in powering alien spacecraft through anti-gravity propulsion. According to Lazar, this element, unknown to Earth science at the time he made his claims, was the power source for the alien spacecraft he allegedly worked on near Area 51. Lazar described Element 115, or ununpentium as it's called in the periodic table, as a super-heavy element capable of producing a gravitational field when manipulated in the reactor of the alien craft. He claimed that this element could generate a gravity wave strong enough to distort space-time around the ship, allowing it to essentially fall toward its destination, thereby achieving propulsion. Theoretically, such a system would allow a craft to achieve near-instantaneous travel between distant points in the universe, circumventing the light-speed barrier that currently confines human exploration to our own solar system. Lazar's account thus added a layer of pseudoscientific plausibility to the concept of interstellar travel by purported extraterrestrial civilizations. Furthermore, the concept of anti-gravity propulsion as described by Lazar contradicts our current understanding of the fundamental forces of nature. While the manipulation of gravity could theoretically allow for the type of space-time distortion Lazar described, there is currently no known way to generate such a gravitational field, and element 115 does not appear to be the missing link in this scientific puzzle. Also, Lazar's description of element 115's role in the propulsion system relies heavily on speculative physics. His accounts lack the detail and verifiable scientific grounding required to support such a revolutionary claim. Despite the challenges to its credibility, Lazar's theory of element 115 and anti-gravity propulsion continues to captivate the imagination of many. It represents a fascinating concept that, if true, could revolutionize our understanding of physics and propulsion technology. Regardless of its veracity, this theory forms a notable part of Lazar's narrative, serving as the fourth entry in our exploration of his most fascinating conspiracy theories. Number 5. Time travel and wormholes. Lazar's narrative took an even more fantastic turn with his claims about time travel and wormholes, suggesting that the alien technology he encountered at Area 51 had capabilities far surpassing our current understanding of physics. According to Lazar, the alien craft that he claimed to have worked on were not just spacecraft, but also timeships. He suggested that the same anti-gravity technology that powered these crafts could also be used to manipulate the fabric of space-time itself, creating wormholes for instantaneous travel across vast interstellar distances. This would essentially allow the crafts to travel both through space and time. Lazar's description of time travel and wormholes builds on concepts rooted in Einstein's general theory of relativity. According to the theory, gravity results from the curvature of space-time around a massive object. In theory, if one could manipulate gravity, as Lazar claims the alien technology can, it would also be possible to distort space-time to create a wormhole, a shortcut through space-time. Lazar's account of time travel and wormholes also lacks supporting evidence. As with his other claims, there has been no tangible proof provided to support this extraordinary assertion. Despite his detailed descriptions of the capabilities of the alien crafts, there has been no independently verifiable demonstration of their supposed time travel abilities. Critics argue that these claims are a further extension of Lazar's imaginative narrative, weaving a tale that is captivating but scientifically unfounded. Skeptics also point out the convenient alignment of Lazar's theories with popular science fiction themes, suggesting that his claims are more fantasy than fact. Yet despite the skepticism, Lazar's claims about time travel and wormholes have fueled the popular imagination. The concept of time travel and instantaneous interstellar transport through wormholes captivates us with its potential to redefine our understanding of reality and the universe. Even in the face of controversy and criticism, these claims form a significant part of Lazar's narrative, contributing to his prominence in UFO lore and serving as the fifth entry in our exploration of his most intriguing conspiracy theories. Number 6. The Galactic Federation. Bob Lazar's narratives have taken us from ancient wheels to alien spacecraft and through the theoretical wormholes of time travel. According to Lazar, this is an interstellar governing body composed of various extraterrestrial civilizations. This theory suggests that Earth and humanity are not alone in the universe, but are part of a much larger cosmic community. Lazar claims that this galactic federation consists of intelligent alien species, each having their own motivations and interests. The Federation allegedly oversees interactions between its member species, maintaining peace and order across the cosmos. This theory raises numerous questions. What are the intentions of these extraterrestrial civilizations towards humanity and Earth? How advanced are they, both technologically and socially? According to Lazar, the Federation's policy towards Earth is one of non-interference, allowing humanity to naturally develop without extraterrestrial influence. He also posits that these civilizations are highly advanced, possessing technologies and understanding of the universe far beyond our current capabilities. Lazar's Galactic Federation theory appeals to our collective fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial life and the potential for interstellar diplomacy. It also contributes to the overarching narrative of government cover-ups and secrecy surrounding extraterrestrial interactions, further adding to the allure of his conspiracy theories. Furthermore, Lazar's alleged insights into the policies and makeup of the Galactic Federation raise questions about how he gained such knowledge. If the Federation maintains a policy of non-interference with Earth, how could an Earthling like Lazar have obtained such detailed information about its workings? Despite these criticisms, the Galactic Federation theory remains a compelling narrative in Lazar's collection of conspiracy theories. Whether viewed as an enticing glimpse into a cosmic community or a far-fetched speculation, this theory adds another layer to the enigmatic persona of Bob Lazar and forms the sixth entry in our exploration of his most fascinating claims. Number 7. Atlantis and Alien Contact. Diving into the depths of human history and mythology, Bob Lazar's conspiracy theories reach a new level of intrigue with the claim that the legendary city of Atlantis had contact with extraterrestrial beings. According to Lazar, the advanced civilization of Atlantis possessed knowledge and technology imparted to them by visiting aliens. The lost city of Atlantis, as told by the ancient Greek philosopher Plato, was a highly advanced civilization that supposedly existed around 10,000 years ago. Its exact location remains a mystery, as does its sudden disappearance, leading many to regard Atlantis as a myth rather than a historical reality. Lazar, however, claims otherwise. He suggests that the advanced technologies and wisdom attributed to the Atlanteans were the result of contact with extraterrestrial beings. According to him, these alien visitors shared their advanced knowledge with the inhabitants of Atlantis, enabling them to build a civilization far beyond the capabilities of other contemporary societies. In Lazar's narrative, the story of Atlantis serves as historical evidence of extraterrestrial contact with Earth. The advanced technology of Atlantis, as described in ancient tales, is viewed not as a product of human ingenuity, but as a gift from beyond the stars. This theory thus adds a historical dimension to Lazar's claims about ongoing government cover-ups of alien encounters. Despite its controversial nature, Lazar's theory of Atlantis and alien contact contributes to the narrative of ancient aliens and the notion of long-standing extraterrestrial involvement with Earth. It is a fascinating addition to his body of conspiracy theories, adding historical intrigue to his claims about extraterrestrial technology and interactions. As such, this theory forms the seventh entry in our exploration of Bob Lazar's most captivating claims. Number 8. Reverse engineering of alien crafts. Perhaps one of the most enduring and well-known conspiracy theories proposed by Bob Lazar revolves around his alleged work at a site near Area 51, where he claims to have been part of a team tasked with reverse engineering alien spacecraft. According to Lazar, in the late 1980s, he was employed at a location called S4, situated near the infamous Area 51 base in Nevada. His work, he claimed, involved studying and attempting to replicate the advanced technology found in several alien crafts that the U.S. government had supposedly obtained. Lazar described these crafts as having highly advanced propulsion systems based on element 115, which could generate a gravity wave. This propulsion system, he claimed, allowed the crafts to achieve incredible speeds and maneuverability that defy our current understanding of physics. In addition, Lazar suggested that these crafts were not constructed, but were grown in some way, further pointing to the advanced and seemingly incomprehensible technology possessed by these alleged extraterrestrial civilizations. He has even described in detail the interior and functionality of these crafts, adding further intrigue to his narrative. However, Lazar's claims about reverse engineering alien crafts have been met with extensive skepticism. Despite his detailed descriptions, Lazar has not produced any material evidence, such as blueprints, parts of the crafts, or photographs to support his assertions. Moreover, his claims about the existence and properties of element 115 have not been supported by subsequent scientific findings. Critics also question Lazar's credentials and his ability to work on such a project. Despite Lazar's claims of holding degrees from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the California Institute of Technology, no records of his attendance at these institutions exist. Yet despite these challenges, Lazar's story has found a receptive audience among those who believe in extraterrestrial visitations and government cover-ups. The idea of having alien technology within our reach and the implications it could have for our understanding of the universe and our place in it are undeniably captivating. Whether fact or fiction, Bob Lazar's account of reverse engineering alien crafts stands as one of his most compelling and controversial claims. Its impact on UFO culture and the ongoing debate about the possibility of extraterrestrial life cannot be understated, making it a key inclusion in our exploration of his most captivating conspiracy theories. As such, this theory forms the 8th entry in our series. Number 9. The existence of Zeta Reticuli aliens. One of the most dramatic theories proposed by Bob Lazar involves the supposed existence of extraterrestrial beings from the Zeta Reticuli star system. According to Lazar, these aliens, sometimes referred to as Zeta Reticulans or Greys, have been in contact with Earth and have even influenced our technological development. Zeta Reticuli is a binary star system located about 39 light-years away from our Sun. It gained prominence in UFO lore following the infamous alleged abduction of Barney and Betty Hill in the 1960s, where under hypnosis, Betty Hill drew a star map that some believe represents Zeta Reticuli. This case forms part of the backdrop against which Lazar made his claims. In Lazar's narrative, the Zeta Reticuli aliens are highly intelligent and possess advanced technology, including the spacecraft he claims to have worked on at S4. He further suggests that these aliens have been visiting Earth for a long time, perhaps centuries, and have established covert agreements with certain governments, the U.S. included. Critics, however, find Lazar's claims about Zeta Reticuli aliens lacking in concrete evidence. Despite numerous supposed sightings and abduction stories, no definitive proof of the existence of these extraterrestrial beings has been produced. Skeptics also point to the lack of verifiable signals or other signs of advanced life coming from the Zeta Reticuli star system. Furthermore, critics note that Lazar's story appears conveniently woven into the fabric of existing UFO lore, incorporating elements of popular alien conspiracy theories, such as the Hill abduction case. This raises questions about the originality and authenticity of his claims. Despite the skepticism surrounding his claims, Lazar's story of the Zeta Reticuli aliens has made a significant impact on popular culture and the world of UFO conspiracy theories. His accounts contribute to the ongoing debate about the possibility of extraterrestrial life and its potential interaction with humanity. Whether one views Lazar's claims as groundbreaking revelations or inventive science fiction, his theory of the existence of Zeta Reticuli aliens adds another intriguing element to his body of work. This theory forms the 9th entry in our exploration of Bob Lazar's most fascinating conspiracy theories. Number 10. Human-Alien Hybrid Program. The final entry in our exploration of Bob Lazar's most captivating conspiracy theories involves an audacious claim that surpasses all others in its implications for humanity: the existence of a human-alien hybrid program. According to Lazar, extraterrestrial beings are not merely observing us from a distance. They are actively intermingling with human genetics to create hybrid entities. This claim suggests that certain governments, particularly the U.S., are aware of this situation and may even be collaborating with these extraterrestrials. In Lazar's narrative, this program represents an unsettling level of alien involvement in human affairs. It raises numerous ethical, scientific, and existential questions. What are the intentions behind creating such hybrids? What could be the long-term impact on humanity? Could it result in a new species, a blend of human and alien characteristics? Critics, however, are quick to point out the numerous issues with this theory. First, it lacks tangible evidence. Despite the profound implications of such a program, there has been no verified discovery of a human-alien hybrid, nor any reliable documentation of such a program's existence. Moreover, The science behind creating a hybrid between humans and an entirely different life form is highly speculative. Our current understanding of genetics and biology suggests that such an endeavor would face formidable, if not insurmountable, challenges. Critics also point out the convenient alignment of Lazar's theory with popular science fiction themes. The idea of human-alien hybrids has been a staple of science fiction for decades, raising questions about the originality of Lazar's claims. Despite these criticisms, the human-alien hybrid theory forms a crucial part of Lazar's narrative. It takes his conspiracy theories from the realms of advanced technology and government cover-ups to direct intervention in human evolution. This makes it one of the most provocative and controversial elements of his story, leaving the audience to grapple with its disturbing implications. Whether viewed as a chilling glimpse into a covert interspecies collaboration or as a fantastical concoction, the human-alien hybrid theory stands as the 10th and final entry in our exploration of Bob Lazar's most fascinating conspiracy theories.